Good morning and welcome to Huntington Beach, California. My name's Tyler Gervasi, and today it's my pleasure to take you on a walkthrough tour of an absolutely stunning Princess V78 represented by Robert Stotler with Worth Avenue Yachts. Please enjoy as we take her out on the water and look at the amazing features of this beautiful motor yacht. One of only a handful of V78s in the United States, and the only one known to be on the West Coast. This is a very rare find. Having spent the day with the owner and seeing his attention to every detail, it's easy to understand how this boat is in essentially brand new condition. Maintained with an open checkbook, its service requirements have always been met long before their suggested deadlines, plus a fresh gel coat on the hull and brand new electronics installed within the last year top off what is already a must-see vessel. Koinonia is the Greek word for fellowship, an apt moniker for a yacht that's sure to inspire many gatherings of family and friends. One of the show-stopping attributes of the V78 design is her sun deck and cockpit area that blends seamlessly into a chic salon through a large set of sliding doors, merging the entire main deck area into one huge, relaxing space. Entering the salon, a huge U-shaped settee is to starboard, across from a love seat and entertainment center. The dining area is forward and to port, with Princess branded dinnerware adding a classic touch to meals. The multi-screen helm sits a step higher than the rest of the salon to give it a commanding view when piloting the vessel. A new addition is the E-Plex nav screen, which controls every technical aspect of the boat from one central panel. The fully equipped galley has everything you could need to entertain and is a beautiful space in its own right. The full-beam master stateroom pulls out all the stops, with an island king bed positioned just at the waterline to ensure as little movement as possible. A luxurious lounge seat, a desk with flip-out mirror, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite with rainfall shower and heated towel rack. The spacious VIP stateroom is forward with its own private head and shower. Guest staterooms are to port and starboard, one with side-by-side twin berths and one with over-under berths, as well as a connected head and shower that doubles as a day head. A hydraulic swim platform makes easy work of launching the tender. The garage stores a 2 lounge seat solar cat with built-in cooler. Once the tender is deployed, the swim platform converts into a customized beach club. Crew quarter access is aft with 2 berths and a full head and shower. Koinonia is as fast as she is pretty, powered by twin Caterpillar C32 engines, pushing out 1,825 horsepower each, with recently installed aftercoolers. Water and power come from the Onan generator and blue water desalination unit, plus a specialized power converter, making it possible to plug in anywhere in the world.
Thank you for joining me today on this immaculate and perfectly maintained vessel. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private showing, Robert Stotler is standing by and waiting for your call. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.